All right, real quick, 2017 Ford Escape. You can see it right here. And shame on you, Ford, and I'm sure you didn't do this, you had somebody else do it for you, but replacing the low beam headlamps when you get that low beam headlamp fault, make sure you do both of them at the same time, because if you do one, the other one's gonna go out next week. But driver's side, very easy. Pull the rubber cap here. I don't know if you can see this. This is your rubber cap right here. Peels it off. You twist the bulb counterclockwise, you pull it out, you replace it. Now, the real job is the passenger side, because you have to go, let me just swap my camera here, hold on a second. You have to go behind the reservoir. So the reservoir has, you can see I've already got mine pulled out. The reservoir has a little bracket down here that it slides up on. You just pull that front part off, it'll slide straight up, and it'll give you a little leeway. Now I'm left-handed, so being left-handed helped me, but you gotta finagle your hand back in here and into this hole to pull this plug. And then there's a little tab. Now remember, you can see the little tab right there. You just pull out on the little tab and slide the bulb out. But you can use, the back of this is still mounted back there, if you can see. Let me see here if I can get it for you. Right there, you can see that tab right there. I'm not pulling it out of there. I just pulled it off of this side over here to give me some flex in that thing so I could do this. So let's see if I can put this bulb back on here and show you without having to turn my camera off. Hold on a second here. I don't want you to be able to see it, but again, I'm also not going to ruin my iPhone. By the way, I'm just going to say this as well. Ford, what kind of hood release is this over here on the passenger side right next to the light bulb? What's wrong with right in the middle, guys? All right, be right back. Hold on a second here. Okay, there's our new bulb. It's a low beam bulb. You can see it's just going to plug right into this yellow piece right here. So again, let's see if I can get this done without dropping my phone down in the motor. What do you think? Let's see here. I'm going to prop it up over here by the oil fill. You can get a little bit of a shot of that, but you're not going to see me putting this thing back in. And trust me, if you're not left-handed, go find yourself a left-handed friend. Just do it. But there, we're plugged in, and now it won't come out. Now I'm going to try and show you the little bit of space that I've got here to put my hand in. And again, it's going to go into this hole, and you've got to line up. If you just look here real quick, let me throw this in. You can see there's 3 tabs on this. The one on the top side right here, well, I don't know what's the top side. This one right here is the largest one, so that's the one you've got to line up inside the headlamp. You plug them in, and then you're going to turn them back clockwise. And I'm sure this is halfway upside down for you, but there we go. So again, this is the tab that you got to use. This is the key to lining this up. So give me a second, I'm going to fight with this, and you're probably not going to be able to see it, but I'm going to try. Again, you can see what a cluster F this is by Ford. I don't know who made this car for Ford. It's probably Mazda or somebody like that, but let's see. Without knocking my phone into the abyss of this 4-cylinder engine. Yeah, falling over. There's really no way to get, let me see. So large tab, and this one's got, the large tab is on the upper right hand corner, I want to say. So I'm marking this tab by where I put my fingers on the light bulb. So that's right there. There we go. This one's probably going to take you a while to get in there until you just hit the sweet spot, and then you'll know it and it'll go in. That's all I can say, honestly. And fitting my hand down in here is no treat. I'm just going to let you know that as well. Let's see here. I think I got it in there. I think I got lucky. Hold on. Maybe not. No, I don't think so. Hold on. Okay, I got it in, and I'm turning it clockwise. So, just so you know, the magic key is if you have the wires of the plug pointing down. Let me switch this back. Wires of the plug pointing down, and at about 1 o'clock, that's where the sweet spot was, and then you turn it back. All right, you'll feel it lock into place. I hope that makes sense. Anyway, again, shame on you, Ford, for that one. And I'm a Ford guy, but that's for the low beam. The high beams are completely easy. They're literally right in the front here. And I don't know if you can see it like this, but they are right in the front and not obstructed by anything. But that's how you do it. And it took me about, like I said, I'm left-handed, I'm lucky. It took me about 15 minutes to get that thing out and then back in there. And be careful when you're pulling on the wires, don't pull a wire out. But it does have a little bit of slack in it. You just got to force it a little bit. But hopefully this helped you. If you did, give it a thumbs up. We'll catch you on the next one.